Right. Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all good. So, last previous classes, what we discussed, we just recapitulate those all things. The first thing we discussed what is non-singular matrix and singular matrix. So here non-singular means if det A is not equal to 0, then that is called as non-singular matrix. And det A is equal to 0 means it is a singular matrix. Yes, Shubham is present. Anyhow, I'm taking attendance today onwards. So you just, I don't know, in the mid between also I may ask you. So that be ready for that. Jinisha, yes. Jinisha present. Good afternoon. Shubham, Jinisha, and where are remaining? All right, I'll wait for 1 minute after that. Anyhow, I'll complete this revision part and let we go for that. And we discussed about what is a determinant of A, and those all we discussed. Yes, Priyanshi Butra S. Good afternoon. Tanish, good afternoon. Yes, one, two, three, four. Four members are present till now. That five is one person is from my side. Okay, don't worry. And one more person also going to come. My another student, ex-student. Right. Good afternoon to all. Anyhow, so in that we last time we discussed about what is how to solve linear equations. In that two methods. First method is Cramer's method. Second method is nothing but your matrix method. And in that first method, in the Cramer's method, for two equations how to solve, three equations how to solve we discussed. And in your matrix method, same method, 2 by 2 matrix given what you solve and how to solve, and then 3 by 3 matrix given how to solve. All right, Satish, okay, you are present. Himanshu present. Right, good afternoon to all. Right. So now let we start our class now. Let's close our eyes. God, to start class, I have to inform to you this in last class in Saturday's live. I was made one mistake that was 3 is multiplied with k 3k. I was not used that, and we got k value as plus 19, but it is actually k is equal to minus 19. So Priyanshi is right, and she was said to me, "Sir, I'm not getting answer." Then when I was checked the video of that live offline one, then I found that was the mistake. Okay, so that you can find out that, and you can do that. Anyhow, again here seven members only is there, one person who came and went. I'm unable to find here your faces is there, that is also there means it is going to be good. um, Anyhow, Satish is present, Himanshu present, and Tanish Jain, and where is Akshit is not present till now. Right. So today we are going to discuss our exercise number 5.2. So exercise number 5.2. Anyhow, I don't want to waste time by saying something right now. So let me start our exercise number 5.2 today and tomorrow. Yes, Shubham, I'm taking attendance also every day. How many are present? How many are watching? Throughout that video lecture. So because this YouTube was sending to me who are watching and those are yes, 6 students only now watching and remaining are not watching. I know that. And anyhow, YouTube also it is sending to me that is how much time you are watching by student. It was getting I'm getting that analysis also, so that I can know whether you are skipping the video or just keeping video there and that. Okay, right, Shubham. Yes. Now we'll go for exercise number 5.2. First one, find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are number 1, 2 comma 5, minus 2 comma minus 3, and 6 comma 0. Anyhow, this solution set which I was solved, it is you are going to get tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow it will be available in the links. Today it cannot be available. Okay, area of a triangle formula. So you know that area of a triangle formula, area of triangle is equal to half determinant x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So now that is equal to half modular, half that x1, x2, x3, 2 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 6 and y1, y2, y3, 5 minus 3, 0 and last one is all ones. Now just simplify this, find your answer. Determinant value if you get, automatically you get area of a triangle. So now half, so your determinant value purpose 2 into minus 3 and minus 5, minus 2 ones are minus 2, 6 into 1 6, that is minus 6, plus 1 into, use this method or Saras method, whichever you like you can use it. So minus 2 into 0 0, then minus 6 into minus 3 minus 18. So now this will be the close. So now what we can do, half, then so you are finding this, I think. So minus 6, minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, minus into minus plus 8 5s are 40. Now here minus into minus plus 18 into 1 18. So that here 18 you can write. So now at last 58 minus 6. So 58 minus 6 is nothing but 52 you are going to get. So now at last you can write half 52, then 2 ones are 2 twos are 6, sorry 2 twos are 4 and then 2 6 are 12. So now 26 square units. So in this way, you have to find area of a triangle. Again, once again, listen this carefully. So if they given three vertices, first write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. After writing yes, who are 26 square units as answer, that is good. Keep it up. So now area of a triangle, you get your answer as 26 square units. So that is about your problem number 1. So now let's move on to the problem number 2. I hope no doubt in this problem number 1, first one. There are 3 problems. So now first one I was solved. Now we are going to the second one. Okay. So let's move on to the second. Let me check. So now second one. 3, 8 minus 1. Okay. So this second one I'll solve. Third one I'll give as a homework for you. Okay. So now here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So now you have formula again. Area of triangle is half determinant x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Right? So after that, half determinant. What is x1, x2, x3? 3, 2, 5. 3, 2, 5. Next, y1, y2, y3. So y1 is 8, y2 is 7, and y3 is nothing but minus 1. Then remaining 1, 1, 1. So again, same method. So now this time I'll use Sarras diagram so that let me check if it is possible to solve easily or not. So now here 3, 2, 5, 8, 7, minus 1. So I'm using now this Sarras diagram. So now by using Sarras diagram, half, then here you can start 3 sevens are 21, 21 ones are 21, then 8 fives are 40. Next, 1 twos are 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So after that minus symbol, then you can write this downside on this first diagonal. 5 sevens are 30, 2 eights are 2 eights are how much? 60. So now this is about your simplification. Do now what we get. So here I'll solve your simplification. This is equal to half 40 plus 21, 61 minus 2, that is minus 3 is nothing but 32, 32 plus 16. So let me solve this half, and in this 61 minus 2. So 61 minus 2 means what you are going to get? 59 minus this 8, 3. So you are going to get 59 minus 48 upon 2. So now what you are going to get? 59 minus 48. So let me check this all correctly we done or not. So once again our calculation part will check, then we'll go for remaining part, otherwise it should not be good. Okay. So anywhere anything is missed? 3 sevens are 21, 8 fives are 40, and it is minus 2. 5 sevens are 35, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. And then next one it is 2 eights are 16. Right, correctly we done here. 61 minus 2. 59. Right. Next one. 32 plus 16. So 848. Correctly is here. So this is equal to half. So 9 minus 8 is nothing but 1. 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. So that is half into 11. That is nothing but 11 upon 2 square units. So you may ask, sir, why sir you checked? Because last time it was happened mistake in multiplication. So again, we don't want to do any other multiplication mistake. Because of that reason, again we rechecked. Okay. Yes, it is 11 upon 2 is your answer. So that is about your problem number. Right. So in this any doubt still? We'll go for second. Still anyone having doubt in this? Any doubt? I hope no doubt. Okay. Now we are going to the next second question. Right. Now we'll solve this second question. So our second question. Use a determinant to find the area of triangle. Listen this carefully. If they said to you use a determinant, find the area of a triangle also, you have to use only that determinant formula, no other method. Just to confuse you, they will tell that use determinant. Okay. So now we go for it. Use the determinant, find the area of triangle whose vertices are 1, 4, 2, 3, minus 5, minus 3, and Second point they asked that are they collinear? So means first what we need to check, we need to by using these 3 points we need to find area of a triangle. Once you found the area of a triangle, if it is equal to 0 we can say that points are collinear. If it is not equal to 0 then we can say that points are not collinear. Okay, otherwise non-collinear. Anyhow again missed some students. Now it is watching only 5 students. So where are remaining? Again and again your teacher need to say means it should not be good. I don't know, you should know those all things. Every time saying is not right. So now let me check this solution. X1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So area of triangle. And anyhow, this remember carefully. Again, I don't want to revise anything from this. So once it is completed, and you have to offline video. And if the solutions want in that links only, you have to check. Again, when you come to school, no teaching it is. Okay, right? Let you check now. Area of a triangle is equal to half determinant. So x1 now 1 1. 3 ones are minus 3. Then minus 4 into 2 into 1 2 minus 5 ones are minus 5. Then plus 1 into 2 into minus 3 minus 6, and then minus symbol, minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Okay, so that is equal to half 1 3 plus 3 minus 4 into 2 plus 5 plus 1 into minus 6 plus 15. Let me check what you are going to get answer. So that is equal to half 6 minus 5 plus 2 7, 7 fours are 28, then 15 minus 6 9, 9 ones are 9, so that is plus 9. So that is equal to half. So now minus 28 plus 9 is nothing but minus 19, and minus 19 plus 6. So if you write minus 19 plus 6 minus 13, you are going to get. So it is minus 13. So negative number we cannot take. We need to take positive. Yes, you all written that as 13 upon 2 square units is correct. You all right. Okay. So that is about your problem number 2. I hope, and now tell to me whether it is collinear or not. So you got here which is area of a triangle is not equal to 0. Therefore, given points are non-collinear. Non-collinear. Okay. So that is about your problem number 2. Okay. I hope you all understood this, and I'll go for next now. Okay. All right. Now, who are present? Those all once again say who are present. You just say that yes, sir, I'm present like that. Who are now watching those students keep their S. Send now message as S. Next, only Satish and Jisha. Yes, present. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Satish, Priyanshi, Tanesh. Only 3. Satish, Tanesh, Priyanshi. Where are remaining? Himanshu where? Where he went? Himanshu. Who is that Hyper Brothers? Who's won that? Who is that I come now? Name say. Kirtan. Okay. And where is remaining? Deepal where? Trapti. Okay. Okay, Kirtan, you can carry on. And remaining. Okay, this many are present in the middle. Okay. So I'll take care of those all things because your project's marks and everything was there. Let me check that time what is going to be happening. All right, and now this is about your second, and who are not present, and just inform to them that if they are not in that classes, then let me do some other work for them, and some punishment should be required. Right, we'll go for now. Third. If Trapti is there, say present. Present, sir. And Divyanshu, Deepal. Not there, that is also informed. Right. So now next one it is problem number 3. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if area of triangle is, so area of triangle is 35 square units. So k is equal to question mark. Find the value of k if area of triangle is 35 square units and vertices of triangle are, so the given vertices, what are those? Those 5, comma 4. See these vertices, the given and area of a triangle given as 35 square units. We need to find area value of k. Okay. So we have to find what is the value of k, and let me find out now. Okay. So now here it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. Right. So now what we need to do in this place now? So you can write a given area of triangle is equal to 35 square units. Now, area of a triangle, what is there here? It is, you already know that half determinant x1, x2. So directly I will substitute x1 is k, x2 is 2, x3 is 5. And then y1, y2, y3. 4 minus 6, 4. 1, 1, 1. So that is, so now we can write it as here. So now k 4, 1, 2 minus 6, 1, 5, 4, 1. So that is equal to 35 2s are 70. Okay, Himanshu, no problem here. And Kirtan, try to adjust your signals and see signal problem is there means you just check where the tower properly is coming. That place, kindly go through that place and check. Okay, there you can sit. Arrange your seating arrangement. All right, now just this determinant value we have to find out now. So let me check now how to find. So first k into minus 6 ones are minus 6, 4 into 1 4, that is minus 4. Then minus 4 into 2 ones are 2, minus 5 ones are 5. Next is 1 into 2 fours are 8, minus, then here 5 6 are 30, minus 30, and we can write it as plus 30 because minus into minus plus. So then that is equal to, we can write it as 70, and let me solve now here. So now minus 6 minus 4 minus 10, so minus 10k, minus 5 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3, minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12. And now here 30 plus 88 is equal to 70. Minus 10k plus 40, so it's 50 is equal to 70. Now minus 10k is equal to 70, plus 50, go to that side, minus 50. So now minus 10k is equal to plus 20. 70 minus 50 is nothing but 20. So 10 ones, 10 twos. So minus k is equal to 2, k is equal to minus 2. I hope everyone got same answer only. K is equal to minus 2 is your answer. Okay. So anyone having any doubt? K is equal to minus 2. Everyone got? Minus 12 not, minus 2. Okay, Priyanshi? K is equal to minus 2 is correct answer. So that is about your problem number 3. Now we are going to the problem number 4. I hope you all understood this and I don't want. Yes, it is very simple. There is not big issues in this. When you are solving your matrix method and Cramer's method, there only one problem calculation you feel is very difficult. So that is also, I may say, that number of the question. So which was, it is so much difficult calculation. So you'll find difficult calculation in fourth problem of 10th question, fourth problem only will feel as a difficult and remaining all means calculation is difficult, otherwise everything is correct, easy only. Alright, now let's move on to our fourth problem. So what is there in the fourth? Use the determinant to find k. Use the determinant means again same formula only. So here to find the value of k if points given points are collinear. So if points are collinear, we have to find k value. Let me check what are those points. K, comma 2 minus 2k minus k plus 1 comma 2k, and after that was given minus 4 minus k comma 6 minus 2k. Okay, it is very easiest one again. But when you are multiplying, little carefulness required. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3. They given so collinear meaning here that area of a triangle is equal to 0. And we can write it as determinant. Directly I'm writing x1, x2, x3. Just substitute k minus k plus 1 and minus 4 minus k, and after that 2 minus 2k, 2k, 6 minus 2k, 1, 1, 1. That is equal to 0. And just we need to simplify this. So I'll write here itself maximum part and then remaining part. Otherwise, no problem here itself. K into 2k into 1, 2k. Next, minus. So minus and this 6 minus 2k into 1, 6 minus 2k. So we can write minus 6 minus into minus plus 2k. So I'm writing a daytime substitution and the simplification doing. Okay. So next one it is minus 2 minus 2k, and we can write minus k plus 1. Now minus 4 minus k into 1. So then minus into minus plus will happen. So that plus 4 plus k. So next one 1 plus 1 into minus k plus 1 into 6 minus 2k. So write minus k plus 1 into 6 minus 2k. So this we need to simplify later. So now here it is again minus symbol, minus 4 minus k into 2k. So that is equal to 0. Okay. So now just we need to simplify it. So after simplification, we are going to get, okay? So now what we need to do here, k into 2k plus 2k plus 2k, 4k minus 6 minus 2 minus 2k into, here it is plus k minus k get cancelled, 4 plus 1, 5. Next, plus, and this part now we have to simplify. Minus k into 6 minus 6k minus k into minus 2k plus 2k square. Next, then still that is minus these two multiplied. Minus into minus plus 2 into 4, 8k, and then minus into minus plus 2k square. So this all same is equal to 0. Let me simplify this all. What do you get? 4k square minus 6k. Here 5 into 2, 10, that is minus 10. Minus into minus plus 5 to 10k plus into minus 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 6k plus 2k square plus 6 minus 2k plus 8k plus 2k square is equal to 0. Now let me check what are the possibilities now. 4k square plus 2k square plus 2k square. So you can write 8k square. So all k squares completed. Next case we have to check. So here it is, right, minus 6k minus 2k minus 8k. Minus 8k plus 8k get cancelled. So what is left in this place k? 10k minus 6k. So you can get as plus 4k. And then which are left? Minus 10 plus 6. Minus 10 plus 6 is nothing but minus 4. So you can write minus 4, that is equal to 0. Now in all the places, see this minus 4 send that side, plus 4 will happen. So 8k square plus 4k is equal to 4. 4 common. So now we will get as 4k square plus k is equal to is equal to 4. And 4 get cancelled, you get answer as there 1. Or you can use some other method also, but I'm doing this method, so let me check now. So now in both 4k square in that place k common. So when you common k, 4 plus 1 is equal to 1. So now k is equal to 1 or k is equal to, so 4k plus 1 is equal to 1. So you will get first one k is equal to 1. Another one you will get as k is equal to 1 upon 4. So is there anyone? Plus 4k you can solve, you are going to get one is in this method you have to solve and you get as half. So anyhow I'll go for another method, that was solution method. Let me check back again that, because again you may think this is sir, it is going to be difficult. So let me go for another method for you all. So that method is that, okay, can I write this as 8k square plus 8k minus 4k. 8k minus 4k you get as 4k plus 4k. So minus 4 is equal to 0. Now in both we can common, when you common 8k, what you are going to get k 8k plus 1. And now in both common minus 4, we get as k plus 1, that is equal to 0. Here 8k minus 4 is equal to 0. 8k is equal to 4. K is equal to 1 upon 2. So this is your correct method of solution. Okay. So at last you will get as k is equal to minus 1. K is equal to half. Once again listen this carefully. When you simplify this determinant, you are going to get 8k square plus 4k minus 4. Once if you get that, you know already splitting method. So splitting term we done, that method we used. So that's what 8k minus 4k. minus 4. Now in both 8k common, then you get as k plus 1. In both minus 4 common, k plus 1. So then we can write it as k plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 8k minus 4 is equal to 0. So then k is equal to minus 1, k is equal to half. This you are going to get. Okay? Understood? So I hope you all understood this fourth problem. Any doubt? Anyone having doubt? Still anyone having doubt? If you are not having any doubt, then I'll go for next. You are not able to find properly. Not you all finding right? You all finding now? Everything was clearly is there? No doubt. Okay. So now your board was fine. Your board having any problem for you? Viewing problem? Next problem, fifth problem. So now fifth problem. So your fifth problem, if points 3 comma minus 2, x comma 2 and 8 comma 8 are collinear, then find the value of x using determinant. I think you already know this, how to solve this. So here it is 3 comma minus 2, x comma 2 and given as 8 comma 8. They said these points are collinear, means area of a triangle is equal to, we can write it as what? 0, because these points are collinear, they given, and we need to find value of x. So now what we'll do in this place, it is x1 by 1, x2 by 2, x3 by 3. Okay, so now we can write here it is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0 since points are collinear. Okay, so now x1 is nothing but 3, x2 is x, another one is 8, minus 2, 2, 8, minus 2, 2, 8, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. And simply what we need to do now, you see here, just value you need to complete. Now 3 into 2 ones are 2 minus 8 ones are 8. Next, minus of minus 2, x into 1, x, then minus 8 into 1, 8. So that plus 1 into x into 8, 8x, minus 8 2s are 16. So that is equal to 0. So now just simplify it, find your x value. Okay. So now 3 into minus 6, then minus into minus plus 2, x minus 8 plus 8x minus 16 is equal to 0. Simplify again. 3 into minus 6 is nothing but minus 18. 2 into x, 2x, plus into minus 8x plus 2x, 10x, 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 18. So 50, that is minus 50 is equal to 0. 10x is equal to 50, x is equal to 5. So your x value is what? 5. So I hope everyone got that x is equal to 5. You all understood this. Anyone having any doubt in this? X is equal to 5 you got? Everyone got? See again, once again, listen this carefully, everyone. This is points, 3 points given. They said that points are collinear. Find x value. So now you already know formula. It is x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Determinant is equal to 0. Just substitute, find the determinant value, and we got as 10x minus 50 is equal to 0. Minus 50, go to that side, plus 50. Then 10 5s are 50. That's what x is equal to 5. So that is about your problem. You have any doubt now in this? I hope no doubt, and I'll go for next problem. Anyone having any doubt? Like no doubt because you are not saying anything. Let's move on to the next. So next one, your sixth one. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 3 comma 1 and 9 comma 3. So I need to find let A and B, AB line equation. It is your sixth problem one, okay? So they given A and B, they said find line equation, okay? And next what they said, using determinant also find the area of triangle if third point is, so here area of, so it is area of triangle we need to find when third point given as -2 comma -4. This is your third point, okay? Listen, this question having two parts. In first part, they given 2 points and we need to find a line equation. In the second part, they said to you area of a triangle, you have to find out if they given third point as -2 comma -4. Okay, so now how to solve carefully one now, so that it is possible to be understand. Right. Now, how to find line equation? First, give y1, x2, y2. What is your formula? Formula is simple. X, y1, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 is equal to 0. This is your AB line equation formula. So now just you can substitute that x, y1 and x1 is nothing but 3, y1 is nothing but 1 and 1. X2 9, y2 3, 9, 3, 1. So that is equal to 0. And again now our equation x into 1 ones are 1 minus 3 ones are 3. Okay. Next minus y into 3 ones are 3 minus 9 ones are 9. Next plus 1 into, we can write as 3 threes are 9 minus 9 ones are 9. That is equal to 0. So 9 minus 9, 0, 0 into any number becomes 0. So third term no need to solve. And remaining whichever is there that we have to solve. 1 minus 3 is nothing but minus 2x. Next one, 9 minus 9 plus 3 is nothing but minus 6. Minus into minus plus, so that 6y is equal to 0. Now in both places, so what I'll do here, it is 2 common. Minus x plus 3y is equal to 0. Okay. Now here it is 2 is what doing? 2 is the multiplying. Go to that side, division. 0 into any number we get as 0. So now I get minus x plus 3y is equal to 0. And if you want to write this in some other form, what we can write here, that minus you common and send that side. So you get as x minus 3y is equal to 0. So therefore, so here I am going to write, therefore, x minus 3y is equal to 0 is your equation. So first part done. So what we done, just this is formula equal to 0 we get, and then we solve this part and we got as x minus 3y is equal to 0. So now equation form. Next what they said, find area of a triangle. Simply what we need to do, this whichever the third point given, x3 y3 keep and solve that problem. Simple. So what we need to do here it is, so we can write here it is area of triangle is equal to half determinant x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1, right? So all the points. So first x1, x2, x3, 3, 9, minus 2. So right here 3, 9, anyhow another pen I use. Okay. So it is 3 and then 9 3, 9, minus 2. Next, y1, y2, y3. 1, 3, minus 4. So write 1, 3, minus 4. Third one, 1, 1, 1. So just simplify it and you get your answer. Half, and then now you simplify this. First 3 into 3 ones are 3, minus into minus, that get minus, minus 4 ones are minus 4. Anyhow, step by step I'll write. Minus symbol, 1 into 9 ones are 9, minus, minus 2 ones are minus 2. Then plus 1 into 9 into minus 4, minus 36. And now minus symbol, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. So let me simplify it. Half 3, 3 plus 4, minus into minus plus, minus 9 plus 2, plus 1 into minus 36, minus into minus plus 6. So let me simplify still. Half 3 plus 4, 7. 7 threes are 21. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 into minus 1, minus 11. Now, minus 36 plus 6, 30, minus 30 into 1, minus 30. Now, half 21 minus 11, 10. 10 minus 30. That is nothing but half minus 30 minus 10, 20, that is minus 20, 2 ones are 2 tens are. So you get answer as minus 10, but negative symbol we cannot take, so that we need to write as a positive symbol, that is 10 square units. So your area of a triangle is nothing but 10 square units. So in this way you have to find, in this question, two things you have to remember. The first one, it is if 2 points are given, how to find the equation of alignments. The formula is x, y1, x1, y11, x2 equal to, you need to write formula, I was not written here, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so when you simplify this, you are going to get 10 square units. So that is about your problem number 6. So still anyone having any doubt? I think no one having doubt in this problem number 6, and let's move on to the problem number 7. So now we are going to the problem number 7. Okay, so now in problem number 7, what is there? Let me check. So in problem number 7, solve the following system of equations by Cramer's rule. So you already know Cramer's rule, and let me solve now by using our formulas. Okay, what are that? X is equal to delta 1 upon delta, y is equal to delta 2 upon delta, z is equal to delta 3 upon delta. Okay, so now we are going to the 7th one. In that, our equation is this: 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Second one, 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. We have to find equations. So it is very simple. Just observe carefully, everyone. And now here it is. First, delta is equal to 2, 3, 3 minus 2. Okay? It is 2, 3, 3 minus 2. Yes, it is last question only, Satish. Just observe, concentrate now. Okay? Right. So now we can write this as 2 into minus 2. That is nothing but minus 4. And minus 3, 3s are 9. So minus 9 minus 3 is nothing but, minus 4 is nothing but minus 13, which was not equal to 0. Now delta 1 we need to find. So when you want to find delta 1, directly solution I am writing. Okay. So delta 1 means first column need to be replaced with 9 and 7. So right here 9, 7. And second column as it is 3 minus 2. When you solve it, 9 into minus 2, that is minus 18. Now minus symbol, 7 3s are 21. So when you add this, what you get? 8 plus 1, 9, 1 plus 2, 3. So minus 39, which was again not equal to 0. So now next to delta 2 will go, and in this place 9 and 7 we need to write in the second minus 39, 27. So you get as minus 13, which was not equal to 0. So now at last x is equal to, so here only I'm going to write x is equal to delta 1 upon delta, that is nothing but minus 39 upon minus 13, minus 39 upon minus 13, minus minus cancel, 13 3s are 39. Okay, so next one, y is equal to delta 2 upon delta, that is nothing but minus 13 upon minus 13. You get as 1. So at last, therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. Okay, that is about your problem. Seventh question, first one, and now seventh question, second one. So we are going to learn now seventh question, second problem. I think this is completed. The seventh problem. Today's class is going to be finished. Okay. So seventh problem, second. So in 7, second one. So here equations 2x minus 7y is equal to 13 and 5x plus 6y is equal to 9. This we need to solve. Same method only. Let me complete this part and then we'll disperse from this. Okay. Right. So now what we need to do here? First, you need to find delta. So delta is equal to, we can write 2 minus 7. See, always remember x coordinate and y coordinate, those only we will take as delta. So now 2 minus 7, 5, 6. So when you solve, 2 6 are 12 minus 7 5 are 35. Here minus is there, so that minus 35. When you write 12 minus into minus plus 35, so you are going to get this answer as 47, which was not equal to 0. So you are able to get delta as what? 47, which is not equal to the 0. So now let's move on to the delta 1. So I said first column totally replaced with your constant numbers. So that is 13 and 9. So now let me write here 13, 9. So now second column you need to write as it is. So as it is means what is that? Minus 7 and 6. So now 13 6 are how much? 13 6 are how much? So you are going to get this as 78. I hope everyone knows that. So now, yes, it is 141, correct? Because 63, and you are going to get as 141, which was not equal to 0. Okay. Same method. Now delta 2. So here 2 given means second column fully replaced with 13 and 9. So right here 13, 9 and remaining 2, 5 as it is. So 2 9s are 18 minus 13 5s are 65. So when you simplify it, minus 47, which is not equal to 0. So you got now all three. Now we just need to simplify what is x, what is y, what is so equal to delta 2 upon delta. So delta 1, what is there? 7 upon 47. 47 ones are 47 threes are. So now here you get as 3, that is equal to 3, and it is 1, that is minus. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1. Priyanshi is correct. And you all done, I hope you all understood. Once again, listen carefully. If they given like this two equations, always remember x coordinates, y coordinates, you need to write as a delta. So here see x coordinate 2, here x coordinate 3, here y coordinate 3, y coordinate minus 2. That's what here written 2, 3, 3 minus 2, not the constants. Okay, because wherever delta 1 place, what we are doing, first column place replacing with 9 and 7. So here 9 and 7 written and the one 3 minus 2. Same method remaining also. Okay. Delta 2 means second column you have to replace with 9 and 7. Okay. So after replacing this all, then you get as a delta value which should be not equal to 0, delta 2, delta 1 also not equal to 0, delta 2 is also not equal to 0. Once if you get this all, x is equal to delta 1 upon delta, y is equal to delta 2 upon delta, that you have to simplify. Okay, once if you simplify this, you are able to solve, and this method is which method? Matrix method, right? Hmm? Which method? You are not saying to me which method. That means you all don't know, you all not understood that. Satish and Shubham, you both say to me which method we are using. So after your answer, we will leave from this place. No answer from Satish and Tanish, Cramer, Jinisha. I was not asked you. I asked Satish, Shubham, and Tanish. Okay, Tanish said, and remaining two. Where are those two? Shubham. If the two students said, then we can. Okay, Jinisha, no problem. Cramers, okay? That's okay, no problem. Shubham, okay. And where is Satish? Farmer. Cramer, farmer and cammer. Okay. Satish, spelling mistake, Satish, Cramer. Okay. It is not CR, it is Cramer. Okay. That is about that. I hope. Okay. I hope you all understood. Now, in next class, we are going to complete this. We'll try to complete. I can't say it is, we will complete. We'll try to complete this full exercise, and then meal in between that itself your fourth chapter offline videos also going to be available for you all. So kindly concentrate, study well, give good name to you and your parents. May God bless you all. Right.